Hello friends, in this video we will learn to solve gate programming question, that is, consider the following C functions. This is the function 1 and function 2. In this we need to return the value of function 2 with passing value 5 is what? We need to find out this by using these two functions. First, this function 2 passing parameter value is 5. This comes this place. 5 is there. So static in. So I space is created. And if n is greater than 0, n value is 5. So that is greater than 0, then I value is 0 plus this function 1 calling with the value of 5. So this calling with value of 5. Then this is also having I value individual. This is I0 and n value is greater than 0. So this if block execute, I value increments from 0 to 1. Then once again n minus 1 means 4. Function 1 calling with value of 4. So 4 comes. This statement not execute, only once executed. Then 4 greater than 0 is true, I increment to 2. In the same manner, this decremented up to 0. And for the 3, this value become 3. For 2, this value become for 1, this value become 5. Then for 0, like for 0, 0 is not greater than 0, then it returns I value, means 5. This is the 5 and this I value is 5 now. Then function 2 calls 4 because this is 5 n value, this 4 comes. This statement not execute and n value is 4 greater than 0 is true. This is 5 and this calls function 1 calls with the value of 4 this time. The same way how the 0 incremented 5 times, this 4 increment, this 5 incremented 4 times. 5 plus 4 is 9. This sends 9. 9 plus 5, this I value became 14. Once again this 3 calls, function 2 calls with the value 3. This 3 comes. This statement not execute. 3 greater than 0 and this time I value is 14. This calls with 3. Once again the 9 incremented with 3, that is 12. 12 is returns. 12 plus 14 is 26. Once again function 2 calls with the value of 2. 2 comes. 2 is greater than 0 and this time this is 26 and this one function 1 calls with 2. 12 plus 2 is 14. 14 comes. 14 plus 26, this value is 40. My value is 41. This calls 1. Function 2 call with the value of 1. 1 is there and 1 is greater than 0. This time I value is 40 and this call function 1 n is function 1 calls with the value 1. 14 plus 1 is 15, so it returns 15. 15 plus 40, this value become 55. Function 2 calls with the value of 0. This is 0 comes, but 0 is not greater than 0. It returns I value. I value is 55. Output is 55. This is the solution. Thank you for your patience. Happy to see you.